The videos of deepfaked characters singing Dame Dane are referencing the Yakuza games, specifically Yakuza 0 and Yakuza 5. In the game, it's possible to sing karaoke, which at first seems like a bizarre, lighthearted shift in tone with what you would expect about a game called Yakuza, but these games actually revel in a sense of humour that mirrors a lot of modern shitposting, so it can get pretty bizarre. The song itself is actually called Baka Mitai, which translates to I've been a fool, but also has the lyrics Dame Dene, which sit in the chorus. As such, the song is referred to as Dame Dene and Baka Mitai interchangeably in meme culture. The music comes across as a classic Japanese karaoke piece, mournful yet kind of cheesy, which fits perfectly with memes like Sad Linus. Interestingly, this isn't the first time this meme has come up. It blew up a little bit in 2018, as one of the first instances of it being spread as a meme was by YouTube user Bakuhaku, who posted a parody of Baka Mitai on May 11th, 2018. However, it wouldn't be until this year that Baka Mitai truly became popular. This was a direct consequence of improved deepfake technology, which allowed Twitter user TortalkHod to manipulate this image of Linus on July 17th. The advances in deepfake tech have made it easier than ever for regular people to use it, which means it's absolutely possible for any meme creators to have a go, spawning a massive increase in surreal yet almost realistic videos. It also could be argued that its popularity has been bolstered by a massive increase in meme song trends lately, like Shui Hua Piao Piao, and even Rickrolling has come back. And when it looks like there's a group of dudes all together just vibing, it also follows that me and the boys trope in meme culture. This includes memes like the "Hey boys, we gone on patrol," or even just a group of guys mysteriously going into creative mode. In the end, all of these memes share similar DNA, and rely on shared experiences of doing weird and fun stuff with your friends or even strangers. You could even replace Dame Dene with the Halo theme song and it would work perfectly well, just like how it became popular with videos of groups of guys singing in toilets. Ultimately, the meme also works because with all the characters and squares on the screen, it almost appears as if they were all in an online call together. Given the recent massive increase in online communication due to many people social distancing, seeing everyone singing together feels bizarre but comfortingly natural. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe! Or else.